Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright Taurus, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Taurus, the first three cards are the Justice card, Six of Wands, Page of Swords, Three of Wands, Four of Swords, Three of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, and the Emperor. Alright, Taurus, bottom of my deck I have the Seven of Wands in reverse. Somebody is feeling a bit low, I would say. They're realizing that things are not equal, there's no justice, but their sense of pride and ego is not allowing them to come forward and say what they have to. They could be just spying from the sidelines, waiting, watching, feeling really sorry for themselves, hoping to heal whatever's broken between the two of you, I guess. But let's see, there is an Emperor upright here. Let's see what this is all about. I'm going to start, Taurus, with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the rest of the reading. So Taurus and their person, Spirit. Taurus and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person, thank you. And I'm going to take a few more from another deck, Taurus. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Sorry, my voice is a bit closed off today. I hope you can still make sense of what I'm saying. I'm recovering from a cold, so sometimes I can barely hear myself. Okay. Taurus and that person. Thank you. Alright, Taurus, let's start your reading. The first card here says, you say that I'm your divine true love and that I'm always on your mind. I don't understand how you could have then ghosted, ignored, or even blocked me so much over the years. There are times when you've denied my existence, so much that I've felt the pain might only end if I no longer existed. Second card here says, Taurus, your inconsistent behavior has caused my family to have concerns and trust issues regarding you. This has now created another barrier for us to navigate and overcome. The endless depth of love I have for you is a blessing. Sometimes this love feels more like a curse because I'm so focused on you, but I don't see anything from you in return. My family doesn't understand our connection. Second reference to somebody's family interfering in this connection, Taurus. My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. You're all I've ever truly wanted in my life. You are my everything. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. I like so many things about you that even I don't know how to tell you that I love everything about you. I think you were made for me and I was made for you. What I'm in most of need of, you cannot give me. Alright, Taurus, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start as always with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus, please. Blessing, guidance, healing. Yep. Yes, somebody does need healing. I do see a lot of healing is required. I don't know what's happened here. We'll have to check, but there is a need for healing after a lot of sadness and regret here. Little bit of depression maybe as well. Okay, and let's start with the reading. Why is the Justice card in reverse, Spirit? Justice card in reverse. Justice card in reverse. One more. One more. Maybe somebody is thinking of dropping something or releasing something here, Taurus. Maybe going after their own happiness. But there's somebody else here who is not happy that things are not working out and they want to latch on. They don't want things to end between the two of you. So it's a bit imbalanced here. Maybe one person wants to let go, the other person doesn't want to let go. So the scales are not in balance at the moment. What's the Six of Wands, Spirit? Six of Wands. Six of Wands. Six of Wands. Yes, there could be a little bit of ego and pride, maybe people holding their ground, very overwhelmed with whatever's going on, stressed and tense, but not willing to say anything or do anything, maybe because of their pride. But watching all the time, because one person feels that the other person is theirs, and they love them. But they may not be showing it, they may not be saying it, they may not be able to articulate it, but still holding on to the hope that things can work out maybe. Three of Wands. Three of Wands, Spirit. Yes, there is a feminine energy who is not interested, I think, in moving forward with this commitment. Maybe there is a marriage that is being like there's a feminine energy who feels, I don't see any growth here. I'm kind of thinking of wrapping this up. This is not working for me. I mean, I'm not happy here. Maybe I want to see what else is out there now. I'm tired of sitting in sadness and depression all the time. Four of Swords in reverse. Somebody's trying to find clarity now through all that depression, maybe trying to find clarity, trying to find themselves and realizing, hey, I'm still good. I still have a lot of fire inside me. I'm still beautiful. I still have, enough people who look up to me maybe. And I want to live my life now. I really do want to maybe start a brand new journey here. Finding clarity about their own life after coming out of a little bit of sadness and depression. Healing the heart that was broken. What's this Three of Swords, Spirit, in reverse? Three of Swords in reverse. Some things have come out in the open now, which I think this Queen of Wands is feeling. It's time for me to make a decision. I know my worth. I know my worth. I'm the Queen of Pentacles. I can provide for myself. I can provide for others. I'm loving, kind, and I deserve to be treated like somebody of high value. And yes, whoever that person is, if you're not going to, make me feel like I'm an empress and respect me, then I have to make a decision for my own life and start the healing process for me. And if this commitment or this long-term partnership is not working out, well, Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Ten of Pentacles. But the other person, I think, is not willing to accept that. They're not willing to accept that their person is maybe looking out or doesn't want to work on this commitment anymore, is not putting in work. They in fact want a rebirth or a restart of this commitment, and they're willing to do anything about it. They fear that maybe my person will go off and find new love, so before that they want to come forward maybe and do or say something which will reignite something between the two of you. Three of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Three of Pentacles in reverse. If they were unstable in the past, if they were not offering any stability, or if they were a little bit inconsistent or in and out, or being a little bit of a player, this person is wanting to come out of that place. They are willing to drop the third parties or anything else that took their attention away. They want to now heal the situation. They want to end all conflict and tell this Empress that, hey, can we solve this? Let's move to a calm, happy place together. I am going to be the Emperor to your Empress. I'm willing to work on it now. I know I haven't done it in the past, and I'm not confused anymore. I choose you. I'm deeply unhappy about the fact that things are not working out with you. And yes, I've made some very unwise, foolish mistakes, and not giving you my love has made me, feel left out in the cold now. But I don't want to be in that place of indecision anymore. I want to make a decision. I want to heal this connection. They don't want to fight anymore. They want to appear to their person as an emperor now. Okay? So basically, one person is on their way out, and the other person is now realizing that they don't want to, lose their person, and they're willing to do and say anything. Willing to do anything to get their person back. They are manifesting. They are manifesting. What are they manifesting, Spirit? What are they manifesting? Oops, they want to. This has become like a tower in their life. This, even energetically, if they're feeling their person moving away or pulling back, they are going through a major transformation right now. And second time, see, Emperor, manifesting, wanting to be an emperor now. Wanting to do the right thing or appear, an equal counterpart to their empress. This has been a shocker for them to even realize that their person is unhappy with them. Okay, so yes, that's all I have for you, Taurus. I hope it worked for you. Do leave a like or a comment, let me know. It's very helpful. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.